Welcome back to Tommy and the Talking Thermostat. Let's dive into Chapter 3, The Secret in the Attic. After learning how air moves through the house, Tommy couldn't stop thinking about it. Something still didn't feel right. Some rooms were too cold and others just didn't feel comfortable at all. So Tommy grabbed his flashlight and climbed up into the attic. Tommy climbed into the attic, holding his flashlight tight. Dust floated through the air and old boxes were stacked everywhere. "Wow, it's hot up here," he whispered. As he looked around, something caught his eye, a silver air duct barely hanging on. "Wait a minute," Tommy said, stepping closer. "That doesn't look right." Tommy pointed at the loose duct. "Theo, I found something." Theo lit up beside him. "A disconnected duct?" Theo said. "That would definitely cause a problem." Tommy nodded. "So that's why some rooms feel too cold?" Theo smiled. "Exactly. When air leaks out, it never reaches the rooms it's supposed to." Tommy grinned. "So I found the problem." "Great detective work," Theo said. "Now let's fix it." Tommy carefully pushed the duct back into place. He tightened it as best as he could. "Got it!" Suddenly, whoosh! Warm air started flowing smoothly through the system. Tommy's eyes lit up. "It's working," Theo beamed. "That's what proper airflow looks like." Tommy climbed down from the attic, smiling. "Mission accomplished." Theo glowed brightly. "You did it, Tommy. You solved the mystery." Tommy laughed. "So HVAC isn't just machines," Theo replied. "It's problem solving." Tommy nodded proudly. "And I'm getting pretty good at it." HVAC Smart Tips. Here are some simple ways you can help keep your home comfortable. Close doors and windows to keep air where it belongs. Make sure vents are not blocked so air can flow freely. Change the air filter to keep the air clean. Turn off lights when you don't need them to save energy. Tommy nodded. "Hey kids, can you do that?" Now it's your turn. Look around your home. What do you notice? What questions do you have? Stay tuned for Tommy and Theo in Book 2, The Comfort Code Clue. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.